she is pink. So let's open her up. So here she is. Here on the tag, in the shape of a star, it says, "Try me, squeeze tummy." Let me pull this off. If you press her tummy, she'll make noises. And watch the ears. They pop up. You can see her eyes. And when you let go of the tummy, they'll fall back down. Let's press the tummy again. So she makes barking noises. How interesting is that? Again. I'm going to do one more. Here you got the tail. If you open the ears by itself, she'll make the barking noises. And that's the Peekaboo Magenta toy. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video today. I want to ask for your help. Please help me pushing that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. And for the ones who has already subscribed to my channel, a massive thank you. See you next time. Bye.